Hello, this is part 2 of lecture 3 in week 3. So in this part we are going to introduce you to the basics of using toolpacks in Excel and add-ins. So Microsoft Excel comes with a powerful add-in for statistical analysis apart from the basic statistical analysis functions. So here we have this data set here without the names, so I haven't included the names here. And I would like to share with you how to perform a quick descriptive statistical analysis using DataAnalysis Toolpack in Microsoft Excel. To get the DataAnalysis Toolpack, you go to File, then to Options. In the Options, you go to Add-ins. So here in the Add-ins, you have the Manage Excel Add-ins. You click on Go. So you choose Excel Add-ins and Go. You choose the first one. So the first one here is actually DataAnalysis Toolpack. Then you click Go or OK. It will be added to Data Analysis here, and this part contains DataAnalysis Toolpack. So you click on Data Analysis. These are a number of really powerful analyses procedures that are automated when you click on them. Choose the descriptive statistics one, which is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one. Click OK. In the input range, select your data containing the labels. So if you have a look, I actually contained the labels here as well. So this is the label being entered here. But you've got to tell Excel that the labels are in the first row. As for the output, you can choose a cell here or a new worksheet. Click on Summary Statistics and then press OK. This will give you a wonderful output containing your variables as well as the analyses. You can also change these ones here to a more visual output. Now what are shown here are mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum and count. It doesn't however show you the quartiles, but it will show you the median, which is basically the second quartile. So this is done for all of the variables that you've had. You can delete these names, and now you can represent your data like this. You select it, you go to Insert, and you get the idea that this is a kind of a representation. However, this doesn't work for all of the variables, as you have gender. The gender, you don't need it, this variable, because it's either 1 or 0, which is male or female, and it's wrong to describe it. However, for the children, salary and age, you need some of the analyses. As for the salary, there's no repeated salary, so there's no mode. You can delete this one. And depending on the analysis procedures that you need, you can select the ones that you need to represent. You can choose between standard deviation or standard error to represent upon the mean. However, it is strictly dependent on what your client requires. And that's how you install and use DataAnalysis Toolpack. We'll be using this Toolpack throughout the course for many other analysis procedures, starting from descriptive statistics to ANOVA and post hoc. However, the post hoc is not there. We've got to do it manually. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.